guys, welcome back to Pocket Lovers World, and today a special YouTuber is joining us, who is
Me.
which means at the rate U1 Plays is joining us on a rival fight. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Pretty nervous, huh? So we actually were quite a bit ready for this rival fight because after U1 Plays joined in with Tahir's Domino Creations. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, please do. So I insisted on him joining me. So he was like, what was your reaction? What was your reaction?
The reaction was like, oh!
Something like that, yeah, because I never did any video with any of a YouTuber. And today we are doing a rival fight on this officially cool the ROM hack made by Gohan Strips called Sun Sky Moon Galaxy. So we are doing it on a mobile because basically our cartridge broke off. I had an old one, but what the hell did I made it trade? Sorry bro. One sec.
Kai.
So guys, our rivals fight has started off. U1 Plays versus Pocket Lovers World. So Rock and Jazz. Okay, so those are your Pokemon. Mine are Sparky and Fire Dragon. What is your first move? What is your first move? Can you
My
please speak?
first move is
Oh my God.
Metal Claw.
Oh no, not on my Charizard. No. Oh gosh, I'm safe. I will do something really harsh to your team. What are you doing, man? You are attacking on my Charizard. I'll show you it. You wait. See guys how cruel this person is being. So I am just thinking of killing his Charizard. Not wing attack. Let's fight the Swampert because the Swampert can be a threat. And I'm gonna discharge you. Yeah boy, my attack went up first.
Oh man, don't act like a stupid man.
Your Charizard is slow. Whoa, discharge. How does it feel now? It doesn't have... Whoa, no. You seriously?
Yay!
Cruel. You are so cruel. Guys, this is a cruel YouTuber. I will take my revenge on you. You wait. I have to kill your Swampert, is it? I choose you, Kira. I'm super angry at this point, guys. How can he just kill my Charizard for no reason? I'll show you. Wait. I'll use Dragon Pulse on your Charizard and discharge. Over here. You are gone, U1 Plays. Or rather, I am gone. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, you're doing a Metal Claw attack. Not on my Nakanadale. Come on, you can never kill my Pikachu. Okay, Kira, use Dragon Pulse. Yes. And now it's my turn to take my revenge. No. That's a legendary Pokemon. Yeah, boy. How's that? Your Charizard is no more. What's your reaction?
Oh, okay.
Who are you
Wait
going to
and
take?
Watch.
Okay, are you going with Bolo?
Do I'm going with Thor.
What? No.
Yes.
No.
I am gonna kill your Pokemon.
Now it's my turn. Okay. I am going to seriously whack you. Like seriously whack you. This one was the Pokemon troubling me now. Shall I poison him or just kill him? Or rather, poison jab can defeat your Swampert. No, Swampert is a ground type. How can I forget, bro? Dragon Pulse.
Okay guys, so now it's my chance.
What are you going to do? Because I have decided.
Thunder Shock.
On who? Naganadale. Are you mad? It does not make any sense because your Swampert is gonna get just twacked. Yes.
Oh.
Your Swampert is no more.
Okay, so let me see. Now I'm going to use this is
Thor. Okay, Bolo.
Oh, nice try.
You are using Bolo. Or okay, long neck. It's easy to kill him because I have two fire types. So Link standby, go long neck. Okay. Thor has thunder shock. Oh. I didn't get paralyzed and now it's Thor's turn to die because I'm gonna dig it to death. Now it's my turn, bro. What are you going to do now? First, wait a second, it's my turn. Shall I attack your... Wait a second. Drampa looks scary. I will go for poison jab on him. Link stand by. Okay. Here you go.
Oh, fight. No Thundershock.
You can growl at me. It's your turn. Why are your moves so
Sorry.
fika? You kept so fika moves on here. You used your Z move? Seriously? Bro, seriously? You used your Z move?
I know that it is not very effective.
But your Thor is gonna die in 2 digs. What? You paralyzed Sparky!
I told you.
Flying EMC, no. You killed Kira. I will take my revenge now.
Easy
Oh,
one.
no, not Sparky, no. Yes.
But I can kill him easily.
Link standby, is it? You can kill Sparky, huh? I have another strong little boy. Go Xavier. And now I'm not going to use Thrash. I am going to just use Flamethrower on Long Neck because that is too much now. Too much of problems. Here you go. Your turn. How are you going to kill Xavier now because I have 2 fire types?
Okay.
That's what you are forgetting about. Oh, no.
I'm going to use this on this.
You are trying to beat my Incineroar? Silly. You know what? I have my Feraligatr. Now you can't use your Z move anymore. Seriously? You cannot. Once. Are you going to move now?
I just want to control Thor.
Thor. No, you can't. Now you have decided your attack. Dragon Breath. No. No, you cheaters.
Easy one. Let's see.
Why? Yeah. Your Pokemon is a semi-grass type. Not very effective. How come?
Yeah. Now I think this
No.
No, man. This guy is. I
But
think
it got
a little
paralyzed.
bit.
Sparky is gonna kill your Thor.
How?
What do you think? Because he has dug his hole. Okay, so you. Sorry, I decided to move on behalf of.
Sorry. So fight. Thundershock.
Not on my Incineroar, bro. Please, don't kill him. Link standby. Wait, it's my turn, I guess. Guys, who are you going to support? Actually, subscribe to both the channels. I don't want to judge things, so. Oh no! How could your move go first? No, Xavier. Yes,
No, it is
it's
still
over.
alive.
And now Thor is gonna die.
But it died, so now your 2 Pokemon will die, I think.
Link standby.
Okay, now is my turn.
Your chance. How are you going to fight me now?
I'm
3
going to
of
kill
your
you.
Pokemon are killed.
Bolo.
Bolo, no, not Bolo, please. Not
Bolo.
Bolo. I said no Bolo.
Ah.
I guess it's my turn. It's my turn, I guess.
Long
Long neck didn't die.
fight.
Cool, no. Sparky, Xavier, don't die. Guys, you gave a good effort to the team.
Link stand by. It's your chance. Poke Lovers World.
I will show you my true grit. You can't just attack me. And I am going to discharge the hell out of you. No. It did nothing. Now what? No!
You die. Yay!
No! What do I do now, Doki? Doki, can you fight, bro, please? Till Sparky didn't die, guys. See the true power of a Pikachu. See, now you are dead. I guess now you are dead. Oh, my discharge hit you. Not very effective. But Bolo is paralyzed. Why didn't I hit my discharge on that stupid long neck?
Okay.
Rotoliller, okay. Dragon Breath, no. It's my turn. Switch game. And now I
one
guess
Pokemon will die. But
I will not waste my Z move. I will thrash the hell out of you, but I think that Drampa needs to get killed. Sorry, bro. Yeah, boy!
oh, Longneck is dead. But Bolo is paralyzed.
Yeah, boy, now what? It's your turn, I guess. Stop playing on my save file. Your save file. Basically, he doesn't know how to switch games. We only have 2 Pokemon left, which means it's a guaranteed win for me. Swap and Bliss, that's your only option. 4 of your Pokemon died, seriously?
And your how many are alive?
I'll show you. First, let me defeat you. I guess I can't defeat you because you have Bolo on your team and you killed my legendary Pokemon. You killed Kira, you murderer.
You killed my 4 Pokemon, you bloody murderer.
Sorry. Okay.
Oh, I will kill you both with my...
You are still going for Rotoliller? Seriously? No. Sucker Punch is not that good. Okay. I thought you have no knowledge on Pokemon, so I tried to trick you, but I guess my trick is not working on you. I will use my Poison Tail on Bolo. And I will use... Oh no! How could your attack go first? But now my attack goes like this and Bolo is killed.
Okay, so now I need to literally kill off your 2 Pokemon with my 1 Pokemon.
Yeah.
Okay.
One sec. It's showing he'll stand by, which means it's your turn.
I know that.
Wow, what are you going to do now? Oh wow, I forgot that you have Leaf Blade, which is super effective on my Nidoking. No! No!
My attack will go first.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, guys, is that the case? But before that, my health will remain the same. I will thunder you. You don't forget Sparky is alive. Yes, my Poison Tail hit you. No! Your Leaf Blade hit me. Doki.
But I need to kill this little Pokemon.
Sparky is not gonna get
Oh
died.
shit.
Now I have Chompy on my side.
Shit, man.
You still are going to get defeated, I guess. But no, I guess you have the advantage. Because you have a grass type which is effective on both Chompy and Sparky. I guess you should kill Sparky first.
Leaf Blade.
I guess you should kill Sparky first. Okay. I guess Leaf Blade is super effective on me. So, I have a super cool move too. I can use Thunderbolt on you. Chompy, you tried flying. Yes, my move goes first. And you are ripped off. No! Chompy, no!
Yes.
Now what? Sparky! You traitor! You are a traitor. No. Okay. I guess Sparky, it's our chance to lose. Because
Leaf Blade.
killing Blizz is not the problem. If Sparky's attack gets hit, I'm gonna lose.
Let's see.
No!
Yes!
So that
I won the battle.
No! I will take my revenge on you. Make sure to like this video, guys. Share this video with your friends and
Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.
bye.